Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. We're here on deck 4. Let's check it out. Up ahead we have Shore Excursions and Guest Services. Hello! Hi! We're now up here on deck 5. We're now entering the Tides dining room here on deck 5. Isn't this cool? Here's our friends at Next Cruise, where you can book, of course, your next cruise. We're now entering what's kind of like the mall. They call it Shops of Centrum. We're now going to enter the art and photo gallery. On the right side is where you'd normally see the photos that all the wonderful photographers have taken of you during your cruise vacation. Right now they're closed up. We're in port. We're in Helipad, Norway. Always like this art. Up ahead is the Coral Theater. It's closed right now. I'm going to take you on a slight detour. I'm going to take you outside. We're on the starboard side of the ship, heading forwards. There's a little treat for you. This is not available on all ships. But here on the Jewel, it's open. And it's open every day. Or, at least I've never seen it closed. As we ascend the steps here, this is access to the helipad. If you get up here, here's where you can do the King of the World thing. Yeah, everybody does it, really. It's a great view. Up there, that's the bridge. And this is me, in case you forgot what I look like. I gotta go down the stairs. Then I want to take you up the stairs. Check out this view. We'll head back inside. And like I promised, back up the stairs. Alright, guess we're back to deck 6. Yes, they have a cinema on board. The pit stop, sports bar, and cinema. Cinema is showing ambulance. It's right over there. And here we are inside the pit stop. Very sports bar-ish. And now we'll enter the Casino Royale. Alright. Normally you can't film inside the casino, but because we're in port, the casino is closed. Plenty of tables here for you to win your fortune. Hello. All right. Let's see what else we can see. head back out into the Centrum. The bar here is Vintages, where they have this ginormous bottle of wine. Up ahead, the famous Schooner Bar. Here in the Schooner Bar, a lot of times they'll host trivia. Of course, a bar. Hello. You're never more than a few steps away from your favorite beverage. And at the back of the ship, it's the Safari Club. We'll enter the Safari Club and I'll show you something else that's really wild. Alright. Here on the left side, these billiard tables. They're not just your ordinary billiard tables. These are like gyro stabilized, so even in the event of rough seas, your game of billiards will not be interrupted. They will stay level. Pretty wild, pretty cool. And here we are inside the Safari Club. It's a really elegant venue. I like all the dark woods, makes it look really nice. They have events in here. Up ahead is the dance floor. Yeah. They have live bands playing in here too. Really nice. I like this venue. Alright. Oh, a little library here. Get some reading. Kind of hard to read with all this music going on though. That's kind of crazy. Alright. But anyway, there you have it, a quick inside view of Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas, and of course it's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. I also really appreciate it if you subscribe and see a lot more crazy videos like this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.